Good day, hi, and mabuhay. I am Galvez J.B. Benavides, and today I will share the career that I prepare in the hospitality industry. So, the career I prepare is being a front desk receptionist. I chose this career because I enjoy welcoming and hosting and assisting people. As a front desk receptionist, I would be responsible for greeting guests, answering inquiries, handling reservations, and making sure that the guests feel comfortable and satisfied with their stay. What excites me about this career is the opportunity to meet people around the world and from different nationalities and cultures. Since hotels welcome guests from around the world, this allows me to improve my communication skills and learning about the diversity. This career also suits me because I am patient, approachable, organized, and which are important qualities to ensuring that the guests receive an excellent service and have a memorable experience. Overall, I believe being a front desk receptionist is the best career for me because it gives me the chance to provide quality service, meet new people, and represent the hospitality industry with professionalism. And once again, I am Galvez J.V. Benavides, your future front desk receptionist. That's all, and thank you. Bye-bye.